A native of Paraguay, Ralph F. Antonioli has established himself as a leader in the legal community, especially by successfully navigating highly complex immigration cases and assisting in matters that relate to Latin America and Italy due to his fluency in English, Spanish, Italian, and Portuguese. Following his graduation from Naperville Central High School as an exchange student in 1995, he began his career as a legal assistant with the Ministerio Público in Paraguay from 1996 to 2000. During this time, he continued his formal studies at Universidad del Norte, from which he earned a Juris Doctor degree in 2000 at the age of 21. Soon thereafter, Mr. Antonioli advanced to become assistant prosecutor at the Ministerio Público from 2000 to 2004. He was admitted to the practice of law before the Supreme Court of the Republic of Paraguay in May 2000. In 2004, and in search of a better future, Mr. Antonioli moved to the United States. In Cleveland, Ohio, he worked as a law clerk with Karen K. Mead & Associates, a boutique immigration firm, from 2004 to 2005. Between 2005 and 2010, he worked for Rogers & Rogers PC in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, as a law clerk and research associate. Over the course of his tenure, and while working full-time, he concluded his academic pursuits at Duquesne University, obtaining a Master of Laws at the Thomas R. Klein School of Law in 2008. In April 2010, amid a representation of Italian football executives before various courts in Paraguay, Mr. Antonioli's life changed when he unexpectedly suffered multiple brain aneurysms. He emerged from a coma 6 weeks later to begin rehabilitation, relearn how to walk and talk, and defy the odds to return to a normal life and continue to thrive within his field. Upon his recovery, Mr. Antonioli was recruited as a business immigration paralegal at Hussein, Bendersky, and Liston LLC from 2013 to 2014, and Vedder Price PC from 2015 to 2020, both in Chicago, Illinois. In 2014, he became a naturalized citizen of the United States. At the same time, he contributed to his community as a volunteer for kindergarten and first grade rooms at the Willow Creek Community Church in South Barrington, Illinois. He later joined Community Christian Church in Naperville. In 2020, after successfully completing the bar examination, he became a member of the District of Columbia Bar. Following his licensure as a U.S. attorney, Mr. Antonioli served as senior litigation paralegal with Sidley Austin LLP between 2020 and 2021, also in Chicago. In December 2021, Mr. Antonioli transitioned from a paralegal to an attorney role with Sidley Austin LLP in Washington, D.C., where he was employed as a staff attorney with the firm's global arbitration, trade, and advocacy practice until September 15, 2023. Since September 18, 2023, and following his calling to help others in the community, Mr. Antonioli began his work as an immigration lawyer with Hershey & Associates in Bethesda, Maryland. In this role, he is directly responsible for assisting clients in finding creative solutions to their most complex cases. More importantly, this position allows him to continue to strengthen his commitment to serve others. During his time with Sidley Austin LLP, Mr. Antonioli found much success as a member and leader in the firm's automotive and mobility sector team, the Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Committee, including the Unidos at Sidley and the Disability Diversity Alliance affinity groups. Furthermore, Mr. Antonioli was featured on the firm's Illuminating Excellence series in 2021 as part of the 31st anniversary of the Americans with Disabilities Act, and with the environmental practice, co-authored the article DOJ Expectations for Corporate Environmental Compliance Programs for Bloomberg Law in 2023. Beyond his primary professional responsibilities with Sidley Austin LLP, Mr. Antonioli represented pro bono clients and enjoyed mentoring young lawyers and law students. He has contributed and continues to contribute to the Italian Cultural Society of Washington, D.C., to promote appreciation and knowledge of Italian culture. His next goal, as a member of the Italian Cultural Society, is to play a major role in establishing an Italian international school in the Washington, D.C. area. Mr. Antonioli remains affiliated with the American Bar Association, the Hispanic Bar Association of the District of Columbia, the Hispanic National Bar Association, and the National Italian-American Bar Association, among others. He is currently a member of the Citizen Heights Church and Capital Rowing Club's Capital Adaptive Rowing Program. Attributing his success to his tenacity and his relentless faith, Mr. Antonioli remains committed to increasing the number of individuals with disabilities in the field of law. He is incredibly proud to never say no to any task, regardless of its difficulty, as he is willing to go above and beyond to find a solution that best serves his clients. In the coming years, Mr. Antonioli hopes to become a beacon of hope for others around the world, especially those facing unsurmountable challenges.